Okay, so now let us solve problems involving permutations. So, na-discuss ko naman na yung permutation. So, hanggang circular lang naman yon. So, yung una is the permutation of n objects taken r at a time. Pangalawa naman is the distinguishable permutation. Yung pangatlo is the circular permutation. So, kung alam nyo na kung paano mag-solve ng mga ng tatlong yon, so now let us solve problems involving permutation. So, naghanda na ako ng mga tanong dyan. And yung iba dyan is distinguishable, yung iba circular, and so on. So, unahin na natin tong number 1. Number 1, in how many ways can you select a first, second, third placer from a 20 contestants? Again, in how many ways can you select a first, second, third placer from a 20 contestants? So, this is an example of permutation. So what is the keyword? You're going to select. Okay? So what is the formula for the permutation? So the permutation of n objects taken r at a time is equals to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Natatandaan pa ba yan? Okay, so for number 1 to number 1. So, sabi dan, you are going to select first, second, third placer from a 20 contestants. So, meaning, our N is 20. And what is our R? 1, 2, 3. So, 3 is our R. Okay, so substitute. So, the permutation of 20 objects taken 3 at a time is equals to 20 factorial divided by 20 minus 3 factorial. Okay po. So now let us simplify 20 factorial divided by 20 minus 3, that is 17 factorial. So now let us expand. So 20 times 19 times 18 times 17 factorial. Into tayo doon para makancel yung sa baba. So cancel. So now multiply. So the permutation of 20 objects taken 3 at a time is equals to 20 times 19 times 18. The answer is 6,840 ways. So this is our final answer. Okay po. So number 1 yan. Next problem, number 2. How many ways can we arrange the letters in the word online? So what type of permutation is this? Distinguishable permutation. Why? Kasi meron tayong naulit na object or repeated elements. So for number 2 solution. So distinguishable permutation is P is equals to n factorial divided by A factorial, B factorial, C factorial, and so on. So, ito pong A, B, C, yun po yung mga naulit na letters. So, ilang letters ang online meron? So, let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, N natin is 6. What about sa mga naulit na words? So, N lang naman. So, N is equals to 2. Okay po, yan. Okay, substitute. So, P is equals to, si N natin is 6. So, 6 factorial divided by N natin is 2. Kung ano yung naulit, yun lang ilalagay nyo sa baba. Okay, so P is equals to 6 factorial. So, let us expand. 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 factorial all over 2 factorial to cancel. So, now what is our permutation? So, 6 times 5, that is 30, times 4, that is 6 times 5 is 30 times 4 is 120. Am I correct? 120 times 3. 120 times 3. The answer is 360 ways. So, this is our permutation. Okay po. So, bakit po distinguishable yung ginamit? Kasi meron pong naulit na words or repeated elements. Okay po. Next example. How many ways can 8 people be seated at a round table? So what type of permutation is this? Okay, circular permutation. Why? Kasi meron pong nabanggit na round table. And meron tayong dalawang formula na ginagamit doon. n-1 factorial and merong divide by 2. So, ang gagamitin natin na formula is the n-1 factorial since merong pabilog na involve. Kasi nga, round table, pabilog na ano yun, lamesa. Okay, so for number 3 to na, So, how many ways can 8 people be seated? So, 8 people, so meaning our n is 8. So, pagka round table and circular pinag-uusapan, the formula is the n-1 factorial. So, P is equals to, n natin is 8. So, n-1 factorial. So, 8 minus 1, that is 7 factorial. And 7 factorial is 5,040 ways. Okay po. So, that is our final answer. So, saan nakuha yung 5,040? So, 7 factorial, 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. The answer is 5,040. Po. So, last problem, number 4. In how many ways can 7 keys be arranged on a key ring? Okay po. Again, in how many ways can 7 keys be arranged on a key ring? So, what type of permutation is this? Circular pa rin. Pero, walang nabanggit na pabilog. Ang sabi dito, we are going to arrange 7 keys on a key ring. So, meaning, meron tayong divided by 2. Okay po. So, what is our n muna? So, 7 keys. So, meaning, ang ating n is 7. Okay po. So, what is our formula? n-1 factorial divided by 2. So, P is equals to, n natin is 7 minus 1 factorial divided by 2. And then, simplify. 7 minus 1 is 6 factorial divided by 2. And alam ko, meron na tayong 6 factorial divided by 2 dito eh. So, that is 6 factorial. 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. The answer is 720 divided by 2. So, 720 divides 2 is 360 ways. Okay po. So, that is our final answer. Okay, so madali lang naman mag-identify ng problem kung anong permutation. So, permutation of n objects taken are at a time. So, kapag kami mga ina-arrange kayo na wala namang naulit na mga objects, as may mga round table, mga keyring, pagka mga distinguishable permutation, basta't may naulit, distinguishable gamitin nyo. Kapag may mga pabilog, mga susi, mga keyring, ganun, bracelet, gamitin nyo is the circular permutation. So, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.